raining kids.
It like probably would have like, I don't know, like something where you could like frost a face or anything. Bye. On our channel.
See you next time on our channel. See you later. Here's Papa, and he's about to show us what's inside the kit.
What is that? See you later on our channel.
Mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl. Mix it up. 11 of 4 cups
That
of
means
water.
1 1/4. There's 2
1
1/2.
1/4.
So that means 2 1/2. So you just multiply it because we're using 2 boxes.
2 1/2 cups of water.
So now we're gonna use this. So let me get
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil, 1/2. A cup of vegetable oil, and then 3 eggs. So we're gonna need 6 eggs. And it doesn't say anything about what you need to mix it with.
So
We're just gonna do it. Hi
Hi everybody.
Didn't see you there.
sort of 1 cup of
The
oil.
bowl's in here, right? 1 cup of oil.
We started the cake. And our end is gonna come on.
Half cup.
Half cup. Half cup vegetable oil.
Let me actually.
Here's a bubble.
Yes, 2. I think it is. Yeah, I think each one. Okay. Put your hands over. So the salt.
I just cracked an egg even though I'm 6 years old. And it was really satisfying, really slimy.
Okay, put it back in your pants. So that's
And my
3
sister, who's 8, just did it.
That's 4.
It's really cool.
5, 6.
So this is 5.
And then here's a sixer.
So this is 6.
And
So
then we're done with the
now
eggs.
we're gonna go with the mixture mushroom. I'll be the eggs, man.
Getting all the pans ready and everything ready to start cooking, baking the cake. Yummy. It looks delicious. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm.
Look, can you do me a favor, please? Can you give me some roll of toilet paper?
Hold on.
There you go.
This cake batter is so good. You know how it tastes. And it's so good. So it's gonna be delicious.
Did you try it? Ooh, yummy.
All right, here we go. So,
Yeah, to eat from the pan, from the bowl. Oh yes, that's the best part. Okay, is it 350? Yeah, 350. There we go. 350. Hold on. 350. And it's baking. Yes. Yum, yum. Okay, see you later. And there's the result, my friends. Thank you so much. This is their first time baking a cake. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Please subscribe, hit that bell, and give me a like. God bless you.